Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you try everything and you still have this problem, you still can't fix Battlefield 2042 black screen, I have a solution for you. I tried this myself and it worked for me, and that's why I decided to share this with you guys. I hope you'll benefit out of this, I hope you learn something, and I hope this is gonna fix the problem. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, also make sure you subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. I'll post daily tutorials, daily tips and tricks to fix games. I really like doing this. I really appreciate your support. Now let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So this method worked for me, so it's only one method. So what you have to do is to go to search bar, and here please write Windows update. And I'm not saying don't leave, I'm not telling you to update your Windows. I think that's pretty obvious, even though it's pretty helpful to update your Windows. Another trick I found that I wasn't aware of is to go to advanced options. In here you go to optional update, and here you go to drivers updates, and here there were a lot of updates, drivers available for me, and that's what caused the game to black screen a lot, was the fact that also the game got stuck. Also, that was my problem as well. So just make sure, I just updated this, and make sure you're doing this as well. Just check all the updates here and update and download and install. Now, why I'm not updating these drivers? These are just not related to it's just related to the webcam and other stuff. But probably for you, you're gonna have a lot of updates here available. Make sure you update them. And another thing you can do, you can also go to GeForce Experience if you have a NVIDIA. And another thing that I did, it's kind of the same, is just go to drivers here, and here you should give GeForce Game Ready driver. So I already have now update available, so I just have to click on download, and that's what I have to do, and that's what you have to do as well. So this really helped and another way to update your game, update drivers, sorry, is to go to, where is it, display adapters, and here you can also update your drivers, and that's one way. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video helped you. I really hope this video helped. So please let me know in this video, in the comment section, if this video helped you. I really want to know if this video helped you. That's gonna make me happy if this video helped you. So let me know, and take care, guys. I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.